So I'm giving myself a challenge to draw every single day over 1 week, and I just feel like lately I've really lost my love for drawing and I just haven't been very inspired to draw. In the beginning of my art journey I was drawing like every day, and I don't know what's going on lately, but I'm just really struggling to find the motivation to like draw. So this week I really want to push myself to just be more creative. I don't want to just focus on Procreate drawings. I want to do like watercolor, pencils, Copic markers, like whatever, just be creative. And also I want to go to different places, like go to a coffee shop or the beach, just get myself out and about to like re-spark creativity again for myself. And I will let you know how it goes as the week goes on, and I'll let you know my thoughts at the end and everything. So yeah, this morning I just did this page like of spring illustrations because it's spring in Australia. I actually had to push myself to start drawing this page because I really didn't feel like it at first, but I just got these pictures from Pinterest and then I just drew a couple of flowers and a butterfly. But hopefully after this challenge I will feel like drawing a lot more, and let's see what tomorrow brings. So last night I actually did also start colouring in this girl, which was a sketch I started last month. So yeah, I just chose the little colour palette for her and I started doing the line work and things like that. And I might even finish her off today. But I also just did a little sketching in my sketchbook of like a princess girl. Yeah, I was kind of thinking of watercolouring her, so I did it like in this sketchbook. This is like my mixed media type sketchbook. But I think I'm just going to leave it in pencil. I just did this little painting with gouache. I didn't go with the plan or anything, so it's not like come out the greatest. I didn't bother colouring in the skin, and she just ended up very blue and with clouds around her, so yeah. Today I thought I would drive up to the beach and take my art supplies with me. So I'm just about to pack my bag. This is the bag I'm taking. I basically just got a little travel sketchbook. This is just a cheap set of watercolour paints which I've had for ages. And then in this pencil case I've just put my paintbrushes, a tissue if I need it. And also I've got this little glass jar which I'm going to use for the water. I usually draw on Procreate, but I just thought I didn't want to risk taking my iPad to the beach and getting sand in it. Yesterday I got all these cool little shells. I always love looking and collecting like shells and stones. You might have noticed them on my desk before. I have got a couple already. This one's really cool because it has like this little pink bit at the very tip. I really like these because of the texture of them and the colours. They're so pretty. This one really stood out to me because of the black and white design on the front. Whoa. But yeah, I'm actually inspired this morning to sketch some of these. I think I'm going to do it in watercolour because I feel like the effect of the shells would turn out better than doing it in Procreate. So, plus look at the sun coming in. It looks so good. I love it when the sun comes in the morning. Here's my finished shell illustrations. I've put all the shells next to them so you can kind of see what I was doing. I also, these are my last two that I did, and I'm pretty proud of these ones actually. These are my best ones, probably because I've just had a little bit more practice now. I also added the shadows, and I think that really helped as well. Sometimes it's scary starting a new medium because you just don't know what you're doing and you just feel like you just don't want to even attempt it. But once you've tried it a few times, you make a few messy rubbish drawings, but then suddenly it just sort of clicks and you start getting it and you start to feel more confident in like what you're doing. So it's the last day of the sort of challenge that I've set myself, and I wasn't going to bother going out today, but I decided to look up a coffee shop because I haven't gone to a coffee shop to draw yet. I found one at like a garden centre, so I'm going to go there, take my iPad, take Cookie as well, maybe walk around the garden centre. It's my second coffee of the day, and I did try and set myself a goal not to have 2 coffees anymore this month, but can't go to a coffee shop and then not get a coffee. Cookie, what are you doing? Cookie.
Yeah.
and I've just made some oranges. I also went on a little hiking trail walk with Cookie, which I've vlogged as well, but you'll see that in my next vlog. I'll be filming like for another vlog as well. But I just thought I'd end this video like just letting you know what my thoughts are on doing this little challenge. Most of the time I think I want to draw more than I actually make myself. So this challenge kind of forced me to like draw. So once I start drawing, I'm fine and like I can really get into it, but it's just kind of, it's like going to the gym. It's just getting yourself there and doing the thing. And plus I really pushed myself to go to that coffee shop today. Like I really wasn't going to go out. Like I was pondering on which coffee shop to go to for like an hour, even though a lot of them were shut because it's Sunday, but I almost wasn't going to go. And then I was like, right, look, you need to go. Like I need to get out somewhere and just be inspired to draw. And getting myself out there in different places really did help. And just switching up the medium, like painting traditionally as well, like really helped just make it fun again, like make drawing fun. And yeah, not every like sketch every day has to be a completed illustration with colour. It can just be quick little doodles, little sketches of like most of the time I'd go on just like Pinterest for some pictures that I like and just copy them, or I just like draw from real life. Like when I was at the cafe, I just drew a couple of plants. I drew the little teapot thing that had the tissues and the forks in. I drew my coffee cup. So yeah, I definitely recommend you to try this yourself actually. If you're stuck and you feel like you just can't be creative, I think you should like try it. And I think forcing yourself to like just do it for 7 days, even just little quick sketches, would really help just maybe spark that creativity again. Let me know if you're inspired now to like draw something or try this challenge yourself. Hopefully that you enjoyed it. I tried to keep it quite drawing based, and I've kept more of my vlog stuff I guess for like the next video. Definitely subscribe to keep seeing more from me, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!